The Brigadier 6x6 cargo passenger snow and swamp buggy is the ideal partner for the all-terrain vehicle mentioned earlier. It can support a group or a heavy vehicle by carrying heavy loads, fuel, spare parts, and animal feed. Made by SKB Gastro Machina, it has 6 large, low-pressure tires that are 1,650 by 650 mm in size, giving it a ground clearance of 55 cm. This allows it to easily travel through deep snow, tough soil, and swamps. If a tire gets punctured, the Brigadier has a system to inflate it with a compressor that pumps 160 liters per minute. Priced at $64,000, it enables you to explore places no one has ever been before. From the Skeleton Coast to the Himalayas, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R is built for the toughest trails. Chris Birch pushed this bike to its limits, testing out the new shorter frame and the V-shaped engine, which delivers 160 horsepower. It's the most compact and powerful engine in its class, with a fuel consumption of just 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers. A Trina is a completely new type of all-terrain snow and swamp buggy. Its design includes innovative ideas that have never been used in this kind of vehicle before. The buggy is built on 2 independent, boat-like frames with a hydraulic drive and a fully controlled turning system. It has a gas-powered engine with 120 horsepower and can reach a top speed of 45 km per hour. It can carry a payload of 800 kilograms. Once upon a time, a custom studio named Lazareth created the Wazuma, a unique blend of a bike, an ATV, and something straight out of Batman's garage. This creation was a hit with both its makers and the public. It came in various versions with 3 and 4 wheels and even made an appearance at the Geneva Motor Show, wowing the crowd with its powerful engines like the 500 horsepower BMW V12. But that wasn't enough for the folks at Lazareth, so they created the Trizuma, basically a snowmobile version of the Wazuma. It's another thrill for daredevils, capable of reaching speeds of 200 km per hour. The best part? Lazareth made a kit that allows you to transform a Wazuma into a Trizuma and back again in just a few hours. At the age of 5, Tony Polino was already into off-roading and jeeps. But according to Polino, standard parts aren't good enough for real extreme riding, and even many custom parts don't make the cut. So, he founded Gen R Off-Road and started making parts that are popular even on public roads. These include shock absorbers with 36 cm of travel, suspension brackets that are twice as thick as standard ones, and light covers made from 3.2 mm cold-rolled steel. This is just a small sample of what Gen R Off-Road offers, and you can see the impressive results of their upgrades in a video that speaks louder than 1,000 words. The Venom LS Cobra is a standout in snowmobile evolution. It features a suspension with an impressive 50 centimeters of travel and a 132 horsepower engine. With low-pressure tires, even the test models can easily cut through snow and mud. The Venom LS Cobra also has a unique frame made from 30H GSA steel, which is used in aircraft construction. The snowmobile measures 3.2 by 2.3 by 3 meters and is controlled with a motorcycle-style handlebar, offering a cool combination of features. It can carry up to 350 kilograms. If you're interested, the manufacturer's website is already taking pre-orders and sharing the price with those interested. The Lynx LXIV is a unique machine that looks like an all-terrain vehicle, but it's actually a floating multipurpose platform. It's designed to assist a variety of users, from oil workers to rescue teams, and can even reduce the need for helicopters. The standout feature of its design is modularity. 2 people can assemble or disassemble it in just 8 hours. Once assembled, the Lynx LXIV can carry 1.8 tons of cargo on its platform and the same amount on a trailer. It can climb slopes of up to 35 degrees and reach speeds of up to 23 km per hour, all powered by a John Deere 99 horsepower diesel engine. Additionally, it comes with various modules, including snow plows and a crane. It drives like a Jeep Gladiator, it acts like a Jeep Gladiator, and it even smells like a Jeep Gladiator, but there's one big difference: it's an amphibious vehicle. The creators put in a lot of effort and even added a propeller from a boat motor. The design makes it clear that this vehicle is ready to hit the water. It can reach a respectable speed of 26 km per hour on water and, with its V6 engine, can do 161 km per hour on land. It's currently listed on SoFloCustom.com for $100,000. Ready to climb aboard? Like a spider, this buggy scrambles uphill off-road. You might think it's Peter Parker's new ride, but with the right experience, this type of driving can lead to rock crawling or rock racing competitions. It's a whole world with its own stars and rules. Some publications even compare the Supercrawl event to the Olympics. The task is simple: the faster you complete the track with its insane set of obstacles, the better. Drivers obviously need a spotter to guide them. Competitors get to show off their skills, and along the way, transmissions can fail, and cars might even flip over, but that's all part of the fun.